Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new unit that I'm very excited to be reviewing for Hairvivi. As always dolls, I'm going to show you the contents of the box, but let's get into the unit that I'm reviewing. This is a 10-inch bob, and as you can see, it already comes pre-bleached, and I just want to show you guys the new elastic band that is included with this wig. This is the old elastic band that used to come with the wig. Now take a look at this new elastic band. You can see that the material that they use is super soft, which makes for a very comfortable fit. There are 4 loops on each side so that you can easily adjust it to your comfort level. Now, one thing I do not like about these slide-on clips is that a lot of times they tend to come off. So what I do is I squeeze the top of the clips together. And as you can see, that allows the clip to stay attached to the loops. And they also have the adjustable band in the back, which allows for an even more custom fit. This unit does come pre-plucked. However, dolls, y'all already know I'm about to pluck this unit just a little bit more. Now, it doesn't really require a lot of plucking because Hairvivi typically does a pretty good job with plucking their units. I'm just plucking it a little bit more just to customize it to my liking. And this is what it looks like once I'm finished. Now, one thing that I used to always do with my units and I've gotten away from is blow drying the hair before I flat iron it. When you blow dry the hair, it tends to give the hair a lot more body. So it's really good to do this before you go in with the flat iron. Now, I have gotten away from using heat protectant on my hair, and I forgot how easy it makes it to flat iron your hair. So be sure and use your heat protectant on your hair. I will have this particular one linked in the description box down below. This one is pretty good. It makes the hair just flat iron so much easier, and it gives it a nice little sheen as well. Now look at the body on this unit. I love how it's swinging. Okay, dolls, so now I'm ready to put this unit on. I'm just going to push this down in the back and then take the comb in the back and tuck it underneath. And you know what, guys? I'm not even gonna lie. This elastic band feels great on my head. Now, when Hairvivi reached out to me and said they wanted me to promote their elastic band, I said, you want your video to be about an elastic band? Like, an elastic band is good to have, but I really don't think that's something that's a determining factor in somebody purchasing a wig. But you know what? I may be wrong. When I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm okay to say when I'm wrong. This actually feels really good. This is something I didn't even know I needed. It feels really comfortable on my head. I'm not going to lie. It really does. Anyway, now that the unit is plugged, I am going to straighten this part out because this part is just too straight. I like my part to have some type of curve or something in it. And now I'm going to apply some of my mousse to the top just to lay this down. And I was going to lay this down with my got to be glue, but this wig is fitting me so well, I don't think I need to. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just cut this lace off. But before I do, I actually want to include some baby hairs, but not baby hairs. You know how I do. So I'm just going to take out a little bit of hairs. And since I'm going for a more natural look, I'm not just going to take out baby hair straight across. I'm kind of creating these little gaps once I pull the hair out. And once I cut it, you'll kind of get an idea of why I did that. It helps it give just kind of a more natural look, because naturally we all have some type of baby hairs. They're not plastered on our head like the way we like to do them on our wigs. So I feel like this method helps create more natural looking baby hairs, but not baby hairs, if you guys know what I mean. Anyway, just keep watching. It'll explain itself. And now I'm going to just cut the lace. Now this particular unit is not HD lace. I just recently reviewed one of their HD lace units. If you haven't seen it, I will have it linked up top, and I'll also link it at the end of this video. However, you will notice that this lace blends pretty well for it not to be HD. So I don't want you guys to get too caught up in thinking that you have to get HD lace. As you see in my video I posted a couple of days ago, once I showed you the comparison of the different laces on different skin types. And if you haven't watched it, be sure and go and watch it. There are different laces that will blend with your complexion, although it's not HD. So the key is just really just to find the lace that's perfect for you. And as you can see, this particular unit blends pretty well with my skin. I'm going to use some of my Lotta Body just to melt this hairline. At first I used my Nairobi foaming lotion on top of the parting area, but I really prefer the Lotta Body wrapping mousse over the Nairobi when it comes to like baby hairs, just because it just gives it a slight hold that helps your baby hair stay in place a little longer even after you're combing it out. So that's why I prefer to use the Lotta Body over the Nairobi when it comes to laying the baby hairs. But again, that's just my preference. Do whatever works best for you. Key to a natural looking hairline is to have little peaks of quote unquote scalp peeking through. Now, technically it's not scalp, it's the lace underneath. But when you have that scalp-like appearance, it helps it look a lot more natural, in my opinion. I'm going to tie this hairline down with my elastic band. And this is just a spare elastic band that I have, not the elastic band that came with this unit. And the purpose of the elastic band is just to help the lace blend with the skin. I'm just going to tie a knot in the back. And I'm going to just use my blow dryer to dry this top. If you have an under the hood dryer, you can also sit under that as well. Now I'm going to take this off. I honestly could have left it right here without applying any powder to my parting area, because in my opinion it actually looks natural. I'm going to take some of my Ruby Kisses powder. I still haven't found like my perfect shade for my parts. I'm still experimenting. The Fit Me used to work. Actually, let me try to Fit Me again. Actually, I don't like how it looks with the powder. So I'm just going to take my rag and dab a lot of this off. So yeah, I wasn't feeling this powder, so I just wiped it off and powdered my face because I was looking a little shiny. But I'll take a look at this hairline. Melted, and no glue, gel, or spray was used. So dolls, this is pretty much the final look, and you guys saw how easy this was for me to install. No glue, no gel, no nothing. Just some mousse if you want to lay down your edges, but that is also optional. So you guys know I do have a coupon code for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put that across the screen, and if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I will have all the information linked in the description box down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay safe. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.